Hello, thanks for coming to my channel today. I'm continuing my series of craft fair items that I'm making for fall 2025 to hopefully give you some ideas. I think most of the things that I show, they're great for craft fairs, or if you're not a craft fair seller, you can get some ideas for your kids' classroom, for holidays, for family, for friends, for teachers. Just, my gifts fulfill a lot of gift needs for different people. So I'm excited to show you today how cute these are. I came up with this idea, I don't know how, but these candy bars are the mini Hershey nugget candy bars. And you just wrap them with a piece of paper. Make sure that you use paper and not cardstock, because cardstock does not stay taped shut very well. It seems to open once you've got everything packaged. So just make sure you just use paper, and you just measure the candy. I'll give you the measurements. So here's one that I cut out so I could give you the measurements, and I'll put the measurements below. So it's 3 inches long by 1.25 wide. So pretend like this doesn't have any paper on it. I just take it, and then I hold it with my thumb, and then I put a piece of clear transparent tape here. I buy my Scotch tape at Dollar Tree because it's clear. And so you just put a piece there, and then you'll just wrap it around and hold it. And then, try and hold it pretty tight, and then put another piece there, and then there you have it, okay? So you're gonna need, let's see, 1, 2, 5. See, I have 5. So 5 pieces. And then these are just pretzel bags that I ordered on Amazon. I'll put the link. And then to make this sturdier, I just cut a piece of black cardstock. Let's see, and I'll put all measurements below, but this cardstock is 6.5 inches long and almost 2 inches wide, maybe 1.75 wide. And so you just put your cardstock in first into your pretzel bag, and then just put your candy bars in. I use the end of a wooden spoon out of my kitchen. Once I get it in, I use the spoon to push it down into the bag. And then once you're done with that, then pull off the piece of paper over the seal. And well, no, I don't think these were the pre-sealed. So I just folded it over and taped it. Okay. And then I made this on my silhouette, Ding Dong, the Witch is Dead. So you can make it, you can make it on your Cricut or your silhouette, or, your computer and on Word. Anyway, I just made this Ding Dong, the Witch is Dead. And then I got on Etsy and I searched for witch hat clip art and witch legs clip art. And I will link both of those below. And then I just had my machine cut them out. So I've got, they come with different types of legs. So the hats, there's several different kinds of hats, okay? And then on the legs, there's also purple. I just happened to not grab a purple leg from my bin, but here's the orange and the green. Aren't they cute? And then I sell these for $3. I maybe could go $3.50, but I don't know. Sometimes I struggle with pricing because, it's kind of a catch-22. If you price too low, you don't make as much money, but if you price too high, then you don't sell. And who wants to be stuck with a bunch of stuff, But what I do after the craft fair, I take all of my leftovers and I put them on Facebook Marketplace to my local community, and I can usually get rid of almost everything that way. And then I mark the prices down a little bit too. So, okay, that's the first thing I wanted to show you today. And then Here's my next thing. I think I do these almost every year for Christmas and Halloween. Here's 2 different versions. These are very easy and quick as well. So these are just the little mini Hershey bars. And again, do not use cardstock when you wrap these. Use paper, decorated paper. So I'll put the measurements for these below as well. So same thing, you just cut a background piece to make your bag more sturdy. And then put in 4 candy bars. And then last year I just went on Etsy and I just typed in Halloween words. And I purchased the words. And then just had my silhouette, cut them out. And I have a ton of Halloween clip art that I've purchased from Etsy. So just go into Etsy or Creative Fabrica and just type in Halloween clip art and decide what you want to put. And I sell these for $3 as well. And so these always sell out. These are brand new this year. In the past, I've just had not the saying and not the hat and the legs, but I've just had this, and then I've put some cute stickers. So people that shop my booth every year, I thought they'd have fun to see something different this year. So that's what I wanted to show you today. These are pretty quick to make and super fun and always best sellers. So I'll link everything below. And the only thing you'll have to look for, I will put the witch legs and the hats. But as far as these were purchased a long time ago. So you'll just have to get on Etsy and type in Halloween words and then Halloween clip art and decide what you want to put on there. So that's it for those. And then I have one more quick thing I wanted to show. I did these for Christmas last year too, I believe. But I found these little containers at the Target dollar spot. They were $1. And then I've just got M&Ms, peanut M&Ms, plain M&Ms, Nerd clusters, Nerds in the box, Kit Kat, Reese's, and a Twix mini, and 2 small Airheads. And then I just, again, put some clip art on here from my computer. And I just stick these on with 2-sided stickies. And then I had ChatGPT write my poem. Ghouls and goblins gather near. A box of treats is finally here. A spooky box with treats inside for Halloween fun you cannot hide. And I'm selling these. Oh, this one doesn't have a price. I'm going to sell these for $10. So the ones I did last year, I think it was for Christmas that I sold out. So these are bound to be a good seller too. So there's 3 great fun ideas for you. So I'll let you go so you can go get busy making. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye for now.